Yeah, I got this piece with instructions not to remake any of the pieces and just to fix the ends. And I said, yeah, I can do it. And then thought, oh boy, this is going to be a tough one. Um, it's because this is a poorly designed joint. This is a bow for a convertible top. This is the front of it, and this is the left side, and it's a U-shaped piece. So there are two corners like this. Um, the problem with it is that it's very thin wood. It's a lap joint, and after making the joint, they drill a big hole in it for a big bracket that goes on here that is used to tighten. It's got a clamping mechanism that clamps over a spindle sticking out of the windshield on each side. You can see the clamp here in place, and this is after I finished it. Uh, but I made it turned out to be a pretty solid repair, and all I had to do was fix the ends. I didn't know how it was going to work out, but it worked out pretty well. Um, as you can see, there isn't much left of it, and it's just a bad design. The wood just broke off here. It was very vulnerable, especially on this end grain. Once this was cut out, the solid piece that was on here, because it was going, the grain was going this way. There was like nothing here. It just snapped right out. You can see here that there's a metal strip, so I had to remove these strips. Um, and on the side, this is a piece that I made to give it some surface area. I extended it back into the main body of the side, and on this piece, you can see it, the entire piece looking down from the top. I steam bent this piece of wood so that it would have grain running in a stronger direction across the front and wouldn't snap off, the way the old one did. And then you have to make the joint and then have to destroy it, to get this clamp in. Um, so this is the steam bender being used on that little strip that I ran around the front of the piece. And this is a diagram of a router setup that I had to use to work on the joint on the side piece. Um, it's just a template, and I just set it up for the router to chisel out a flat spot here, so I could put a piece of repair wood in there. But this is the piece being clamped together for the side, and you can see how the whole thing fits now. This is where the lap piece will go, and it turned out to be a really good repair. It's on the car. It worked, and it worked out.